Next, we'll determine each employee's baseline remuneration. The legislation defines baseline remuneration as the average weekly eligible remuneration paid to the employee by the qualifying entity during the period that begins on January 1st, 2020 and ends on March 15th, 2020. This excludes any period of 7 or more consecutive days for which the employee was not remunerated. To help determine the baseline remuneration for each employee, you can enter the payroll amounts paid between January 1st and March 15th using the available payment columns. We've provided payment columns in this worksheet to support payroll periods as frequent as weekly. Let's assume that the eligible entity has monthly payroll and makes payments on January 31st and February 29th. We will not include March 31st as it is past March 15th. Employee 1 has gross remuneration of $4,000 on January 31st and again on February 29th. If there are employees who are not paid on or before March 15th, which may include new employees, they will not have baseline remuneration. If there are adjustments required to gross remuneration, which for example may include stock option benefits or severance pay, these amounts can be entered in the applicable adjustments column to arrive at eligible remuneration. The worksheet also includes the total days between January 1st and March 15th, 75 of them, and divided the total by 7. In situations where an employee was not remunerated for 7 or more consecutive days, you can include the number of days and the worksheet will recalculate the effective weeks. To determine the baseline remuneration for each employee, the eligible remuneration is divided by the effective weeks. You can review these numbers and then continue to the Remuneration tab by moving to the next tab at the bottom of the worksheet.